Did you know that you can make a custom wreath for half the price of what you will pay if you purchase a wreath off the shelf in the store? And by the way, the wreath that you purchase will be way more beautiful than the wreath that you purchase off the shelf. I've honestly never saw a wreath hanging in the store that I genuinely loved, and also they just seem to be really overpriced. So I like to make my own. So if you've got 30 minutes, if you've got a handful of supplies, you can totally do this. All right, so here's what you need. You need a pair of scissors, you need a floral stem cutter, you need a grapevine wreath, size of your choice. You need a vine that you are going to use as the base around your grapevine leaf. And if you use a vine versus individual greenery, it's just much easier to attach. And then lastly, you are going to want to pick out your floral depending on the colors that you want. I normally go neutral, so I've got some white roses here. And then if you want to add a little bit of interest to it, more interest than it's already going to have, then you can add some wispy accessories floral to go in with that to mix that up a bit. I typically buy more than I'm going to need, and then I just take back what I'm not using. And then finally, you are going to need some raffia, and you're going to want to make sure that it's the dark brown, which matches your wreath, because this is what you're going to use to tie everything on. You are not going to super glue anything because super glue is tacky, in my opinion. So you're going to tie everything on. So you're just basically going to arrange this out. You're going to circle this around. You're going to tie this on, and you're going to trim it up a little bit if it's too long. And then you're going to get your floral. You're going to place your floral, make sure you've got it where you want it. You're going to attach that on, and then voila. You're going to end up with an amazing, beautiful wreath at half the cost and under 30 minutes.